Welcome to Learn a Concept series. These videos are short and give a quick introduction to a concept. Let's learn a concept today. Stay ahead in technology by learning data science concepts. Keep updated about machine learning, deep learning, statistics, NLP, reinforcement learning, and more in this series. I am Praveen Kumar and I work on emerging technologies with a primary focus on artificial intelligence and machine learning. Be sure to subscribe as I keep updating my content and add more videos. Think about this girl staying in a hotel which has an emergency fire alarm system. There are 4 possibilities. No alarm, no fire. Alarm rings and there is a fire. Both these cases are true or positives. No fire, alarm rings. This is a false positive. Or there is a fire but alarm does not ring. This is a false negative. While both these cases are false, one of them causes panic only, but the other could be life-threatening. When working on machine learning problems, we should consider these 2 cases in mind and program accordingly. In a machine learning example of medical research on nephrology, researchers performed a series of 10,000 studies to evaluate the use of lipid-lowering drugs, each time including 10,000 people. The chance of atherosclerosis occurring was 10%. By falsifying an opposite hypothesis, we strengthen the evidence for the hypothesis in which we are interested. With this research, physicians in nephrology are able to make the right deductions. Hope you learned the concept in a simple and easy manner. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and comment today. Goodbye and have a nice day.